Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to prevent TikTok from suggesting your account to people in your phone contacts. TikTok can suggest your account to others who have your phone number. If you don't want your account suggested to the contacts, follow the steps carefully. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Here, select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap on the Preference section. From this page, you need to scroll down and you'll get the section of Content and Display. And then there, you'll get the option of Contacts and Location in the bottom, which is below Accessibility option. Go ahead and select it. And make sure that the toggle of contacts is turned off. And if you want, you can also turn off the option for Facebook friends. And here, finally turn off the contacts option and sync contacts option. You can also tap remove previously synced contact to complete the process. Make sure that your toggle is turned off under suggest your account to others and sync contacts and Facebook friends. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.